Stop spending money on supplies that will only make you give up on crochet. Do you know why your stitches are tight, your work turns out small, or why the yarn frays? Sometimes the problem isn't your technique, it's in the wrong combination of hook and yarn. I'm going to give you the foolproof recipe so you can start today and never make a mistake again. This is the year for you to master crochet. If you're a beginner, write this down. That's right, a 4mm crochet hook with an aluminum tip. Why? Because they glide. If you get a hook made of another material or a much thinner size, you'll have a hard time seeing the stitches. And the yarn? Go straight for cotton, okay? Choose a yarn that's easy for you to crochet with, a medium or thick weight. Which yarn specifically, Drew? Number 4 cotton cord or number 6 cotton cord, okay? Yarn with a text of around 600 to a little over 800, 900, okay? Yarn in this weight range is perfect to work with, especially if you're new to crochet. This is the perfect balance, okay? Not so thin that you lose track of your stitches and can't see them properly. And not so thick either, which makes it tiring for you to crochet. It strains your wrist, right? Especially for those who aren't experienced, thick yarns can also be very tiring, okay? So be careful with that. This combination is the perfect choice, okay? That's what I'm sharing with you. And to make things super easy for you, right? I've already put together a basic kit for you if you're a beginner. You can see on the screen the hooks and yarns I recommend the most for you who are just starting out. Click on the screen, on the link in the video description, or on the pinned link here in the comments. That way you can get your basic kit. It's the smartest investment you can make to have an amazing new hobby, super therapeutic, and it can even be a source of income for you. And here's a golden tip too. Always look at the label on the yarn. It always gives us a suggested hook size. But don't rely only on that when you're choosing the hook you'll crochet with, because they don't always recommend the right hook size. The trick to knowing the ideal hook for the yarn you're going to use is to see if it fits just right on the hook, like this. If there's too much or too little yarn left on the hook, it means it didn't work, okay? So I actually have some more tips to give you about this, but for today, I'm going to stop here so I don't tire you out too much. But here's this really cool tip for you to enjoy. And if you want to learn even more, subscribe to the channel and always turn on the notification bell. And leave a comment down below saying top so I know you made it this far in the video. Now, if you want to stop just trying to crochet and really learn, put an end to all your headaches and doubts about this technique, you need a method. In the Crochet Club, I take you by the hand and teach you everything, from beginner to advanced, without any complications. Stop struggling alone, wasting your time with random videos on the internet, without a logical learning order, videos that don't solve all your crochet questions. Click the link in the video description and become my student in the Crochet Club now. And tell me, did you like this tip? Save this video so you don't lose it. Also, send it to that friend who wants to start crocheting with you this year too. And you already know, right? Like, share this video and become a member of the channel to support the work I already do here. And get access to exclusive benefits too. That includes the videos that are already available in the exclusive members only section here on the channel. Just click on the Become a Member button, choose your plan, and join us. Become a supporter of the channel too. Thank you so much, by the way, to all the members here on the channel. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for your support. Big hugs to all of you. And don't forget, okay? So you can master the crochet technique this year. Become my student in the Crochet Club. There's a QR code on your screen and a link in the video description for you to check it out and join. I'll see you on the club platform. Big hugs and see you there.